Hey you guys, so welcome to a really fun vlog. I went to Walmart this morning just looking for some staples that I needed for my girls. I was pleasantly surprised. Like, I expected sales, I expected sales, but I didn't expect as many sales as there were. So it's a great time to go to Walmart, especially as the seasons change. Everybody is getting rid of their winter. It makes me laugh. And their like bathing suits are coming out and it's January. So you gotta act fast. But I love clothing my family at Walmart, and I'm even like converting Josh into purchasing his jeans at Walmart because I think that the quality is just really getting better, you guys. It's a way for a family with 3 growing girls that we can go and get the accessories or a new shirt or a pair of shoes and not break the bank. So I cannot tell you enough how much I love Walmart for clothing. And if you play it smart, you can get the clothes on sale. So what I'll do is I'll, like today I went to look at their spring stuff was coming out and I got to see all like the styles and stuff. Time and True is my favorite brand at Walmart for me. And then Levi's jeans. That's where I get my jeans. The low-rise Levi's, they are $19.94 a pair and they are my favorite. And so I'll just watch like I picked out a couple shirts. I was like, oh, that would be really cute. I would buy that. So I'm gonna wait till they're on sale the next time that I go. So if you guys have any Walmart tips and tricks, go ahead and leave it down in the comments down below. What is something that you always go for if you're an avid Walmart shopper? Me, it's the basic t-shirt. So I bought this for Tennessee, but it's t-shirts like this, guys. They're like $7 a shirt for women. It's amazing. They have a good selection. Zoe is a junior, so she's a size 1. She's darling. But they go all the way up to 3X or 4X. And their variety and their selection is amazing. I just love it. So I'm wearing one of my cute finds. I have been eyeing this shirt for like a month and a half, waiting for it to go on clearance. Now, it wasn't a huge clearance. It was a $7 clearance. So it went down to $7. I love the color. I bought it in a different size than I would normally wear. So Josh and I are on this really big kick right now. We're getting up at 5 a.m. We're working out, we're getting healthy, and we're doing all the things that we need to do. We both want to lose around 50 pounds, which is huge, but we've done it before. So we know we can do it again. And so I bought this shirt in my comfortable down 50 pound size. I've been there. I know how shirts wear. I bought them at Walmart way back when. So I bought this one for $7, and I'm gonna just kind of set it aside. And then I bought this one because black and white stripes, holla, you cannot have enough black and white stripes. So anyway, I just love like the ruffle detail on this shirt. I think it is so cute. So cute. And those were $7 a piece. And I feel like when it's something that I've been eyeing, that I know I want, I have searched like Pinterest or Instagram to make sure it's gonna look cute. That's when I go for it. So they'll probably go lower than $7, but I loved it. And I didn't want to take the risk that I would not get it. So, okay, so then Tennessee, those are kind of my two. Actually, let me show you the adult. So I wanted these guys so bad. I wanted these PJs, but it was a priority to purchase fun PJs for my girls instead of myself. I know you mamas know, but I passed on it and I went into the store and, this is a little bit big. I get my PJs like a size or 2 sizes up. So hopefully in 50 pounds, I'll still wear it and I'll still love it. They're so soft. But it was on a $9 rack. It was regularly $14.84 and it came up at $3. Like a 3-piece set of PJs came up at $3. So there's the pants. They have like totally cute drawstring, super sweet top. Like the hat alone is worth $3 and it's just amazing. That's what I love about Walmart, you guys, is how soft their fabrics are. Now my girls are particular. I have to do the mom test. So I have to I bought a couple sweatshirts and I have to run my hand through them and like, what would it feel when they put it on? Grace in Tennessee, if it like snags or itches or does anything, they will not wear it. So, and I want them to wear these clothes. So anyway, I grabbed a second one because for $3, I was like, Zoe might next Christmas fit in a women's size, small. So this one ran up at $9, but I asked the cashier, I said, this one ran up at $3. This one ran up at $9. Can you price match it to the $3? Because they're the same thing, just different size. And they did. So I got 2 cute sets of PJs for $6. Oh. Anyway, so that pretty much is mine. The couple shirts and a couple PJs. Now if I don't forget by next December, ooh, I almost forgot this. Yeah, so next December, if I don't forget my hiding spot, Zoe will get those PJs. This, you guys, was like, I think it was $19.94. This is an all marble gray and white. It's so pretty. All marble tray with gold handles. Like, it fits my house, my style, my colors, everything. It was like $19.94. I've been drooling over it, thinking I just cannot spend that money on a tray, even though it's a good for a pure marble. So I went in, and the in basin was all marked down to $5. There was like this huge clearance sign, and I saw these on the bottom, and I was like, oh, yes, yes. So I went and I ran to the price checker, those things that they have in the store, and you scan the barcode underneath, and it came up at $5. And so I was so happy because I wanted this. And I'm telling you, Walmart is coming out with really pretty things. So I got that for $5. And then on to my little ones. Now, I just want to say, I have scored $3 boots, guys. Let me grab them. So I have, you know how the seasons change, right? And they discount or clearance to make room for the incoming goodies. Well, they're getting rid of their fall stuff and sweaters right now. So last spring I did this, and I found a pair of boots that I loved, and I tried on, I tried on a couple pairs today. I tried this trick, and they were not on sale, so I put them back. But if you see a clearance section, guys, just like these PJs, just because the rack is marked $9, it could very well be $3. So you definitely want to go to the checker. You could either ask somebody, or you could go to the price, don't know the price. They have them all over the store, the barcode scanners. Scan the barcode. These boots I wear every single day. They were $3 on clearance at Walmart. Like, you can't even go to a consignment sale for that price. So now, I'm waiting for a cute gray pair of boots to go down, not at $19.95, which is still an amazing price, but I want them cheaper. So, now my girls, we used to do consignment sales, and I miss them. I loved them. However, they can get pricey. I can often find a cheaper price at Walmart, and my girls are super, super sensitive to laundry detergent. So I would buy these beautiful clothes at a consignment sale, and they would just break out in rashes. Even after I tried, you know, getting washing to try and get those, it just didn't come out. So we can no longer, that's why we don't do consignment sales. When our girls were babies, they were amazing. I loved consignment sales. So thumbs up if you guys love consignment sales. They're not getting any kind of hate from me. We just have to buy clothes that have not been pre-laundered. So, okay, moving on to Grace. So Grace got this hooded sweatshirt. She kind of likes things like this that are cozy. It's a soft one. It passed the mom arm test, nothing scratchy. It's just a lightweight sweater. It was on clearance for $3. Now, my Walmart had those clearance racks with the big yellow clearance sign in every department, even home, like that marble tray, and it just was really, really fun. Okay, so this is what I really went for Tennessee. I have bought these little shirts for $1, but she has hit a huge growth spurt, and she needs them now. They were marked down. They were on sale for $3, and they're long-sleeved, little long-sleeve tees, and she needs them like yesterday, so I couldn't wait for them to go down anymore. But I was super happy to get them for $3. So $12 for 4 shirts. I got all colors that look pretty with her blonde hair, purple and blue and pink. And she wears them for PE, she wears them to sleep in. She loves these t-shirts. And then white, because white is just a great staple to have. Hopefully this $12 of shirts, 4 shirts, will last her until summer. Then we'll do the same thing with short sleeve shirts. So that was it, guys. That was my $40 haul from Walmart. I actually went today. So this video is going up today. If you saw something you loved, you know, you can, they're all different. All stores are different, but you can certainly try to get, you know, clearance. Again, Grace and T just had a huge growth spurt. Grace came to me this morning and she's like, Mom, my jeans are ripping out in places that they probably should not be ripping out. So I need some new jeans. Because they'll say, you know, it's time for some new jeans. Mom will be like, yeah. Today she stopped me and she's like, this is not okay. So I said, okay, we'll get you some new jeans. So Jordache is the brand at Walmart that my girls love because they're super thin, and they're super, so what they are, here, let me show you the tag. They're super skinny, Jordaches, super skinnies, and then you can get them in slims. So this is a 10 slim. So they're already a slim cut, and then you can get them in slims for $11.92 a pair, guys. $11.94. $11.94, I don't remember. $11.92 or $11.94 a pair. And they last really good because we've bought these for years. And so my little mom heart does a happy dance and they look so cute and they fit them. And it's just so hard. We went years and I thought I'm gonna have to go to Justice. We went into Justice to buy a pair of jeans one time and we walked right back out of Justice because I was like, Mama is not gonna pay $40 for a kid's pair of jeans when I'm not gonna pay that for me. Anyway, so this is super cute. Total 1980s with the acid wash. I'm an 80s kid through and through, and I loved it. And then just a dark denim pair. So hopefully these will last her a little while. I don't know what it was. My girls all had birthdays recently, and then they all had huge growth spurts. So I want to say that these things that I bought are a side. These were not necessarily on clearance or a part of my $40. I used my fun money to purchase the clothes and that gorgeous marble tray. And anyway, so, you know, I had to show you extras that I regularly pick up or that I keep an eye out for at Walmart. So Tennessee also needs some new tennis shoes. Her feet are huge. They were little like yesterday and then they got big. Look at these cute little pink and rose gold shoes, guys. They're so cute. $8.98. This is why I don't freak out when my kids have, you know, a growth spurt or need new shoes, because we go to Walmart and we get them for $8.98. So it has no lace. It's just a Velcro. I hope she loves them as much as I love them. I think they had them in mama's sizes. So if you're obsessed too, you can go get it. And then I got these acid wash jeans, right, for Grace. So I picked up this little sweatshirt with gold stars because she's all about the bling. And I was like, that's really cute together. So this fleece sweatshirt is super, super soft, passed the mom test down the arms, at least for my kids. And it was, I'm looking at the size, sorry. It was $5.96. So that's a regular price. It wasn't necessarily on clearance. Again, why I love Walmart. They're cheap. They are so cheap. So 5T, this one was in the toddler section. Tennessee technically is not in the toddler, but I saw this sweatshirt and I was like, that's really cute. She loves leopard and it would go cute with her new shoes. And so this was $4.48 for this little cheetah thing. That's probably the last toddler piece of clothing that I'll be able to buy her, honestly. Okay, and then this was just super fun. So the 70s and the 80s are totally coming back, and velour is all the rage. I think I said that right, velour. Anyway, they had these cute little velour hoodies that have ruffles on them, and these were marked down at clearance. And this was only $7. So it feels amazing. Tennessee is a sucker for things that are super soft. She just like melts in them and wears them for days. Walmart's clothing, actually guys, there's a lot of super soft fabrics. So I just thought that that was really cute. Has a little hoodie on it. And that is how I dress my girls on a budget, on a crazy cool budget, and I don't freak out because I know I've got Walmart. So, and I've got their clearance. Anyway, that was it for my haul. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Subscribe because I purchased these things this morning. You betcha if I go into the store and I come home with some amazing deals, I'm going to turn on the camera and I'm going to share it with you guys as soon as I can so that you can go to your Walmart and see if they still have it. Because when you're like paying for all the things and trying to get out of debt, and you could buy this more marble thing tray that you've wanted for $5, it makes sticking to a budget, you guys, so much easier and so much more enjoyable. Like, I actually enjoy sticking to a budget and I don't feel deprived because you just have to wait till they go on sale. So I hope you love this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Leave your thoughts down below in the comments. Bye-bye.